Alrighty, cherries. One at a time. What was I trying to say? Forgot. Yeah. Okay. Yay! 1, 2, 3. 2 to go. That one. Oh, turn some lights on there. Oh shit! Doesn't make any difference. Okay, put a little wall up the top there as well. So, yeah, nothing over dramatic, but a couple of little additions. This one, yeah, can go there, and put another cushion on top of that. It's got to be spaced out properly though, but yeah. Put that away. Down there. Chuck that one there. That's got to be bloody locked in properly there, because yeah, not 100%. But anyway, 2 to go. So we've done that one. And that one. And that one. So we've got that one to go. We've got 2 to go. Woohoo! And then we'll bog them up and paint them. What does that do? Is that doing that? It's no advertising. Thanks. Oh, yeah. That's yeah. Piles up there. Right. So we can see it from that perspective. Doesn't really show you much, man. Looking nothing. Can't see better. Ooh, really? Oh yeah, that's better. Leave it. So, yeah. 2 to go. Mate, I'll tell you what, that is time consuming shit. Those inside frames. Yeah. Especially where they are. Those ones at the front, you got to get up there and do one little tiny piece at a time. But hey, that's what it takes. 2 to go though, and that's what the reality is. That's the progress of it. Might swap those cushions out. I don't know. Try dyeing them first and see what happens. But hey, progress. Even if it takes a couple more weekends, then we'll extend the outside window lips to protect the rain. And yeah. Rightio. Ciao.